Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today, sorry, I didn't mean to leave the camera there for a sec, but what we're going to be discussing in today's video is we are going to be getting into an unreleased pair of dunk lows. We got some extra laces right here with them, right? I'm missing this pair, I believe, an orange pair, or they're tucked in here a bit further, I think. I'll show you all them in a sec, but today we're doing an on-feet video for the unreleased SB Dunk Low Krampus, which, keep in mind, these are actually dropping very, very soon. We do have a date now, actually, for this SB Dunk Low. Keep in mind, these are going to be releasing, do not forget, on November 29th at your local skate shops. We should have a sneakers drop date. I think it's like December 1st or something like that. I could be wrong, but just know these are dropping very, very shortly, and today we're going to be doing the on-feet video for it, showing y'all what these look like, because I'm just keeping these for the collection. So I hope y'all will enjoy, man. This is a banger pair, man. Just such a crazy one. We'll have some more early SBs very, very shortly. I know y'all were asking about that, so stay tuned. I'm trying to get the Nard bars early to do a little review for you guys. Actually getting some bigger sizes potentially first for those, so if anybody's interested in those, I might have those on the site as well. Feel free to check that down below, by the way. If anybody ever wants to shop with this, use code Black Friday for 10% off. Tons of stuff's available there. And yeah, let's get into reviewing this SB Dunk Low right here. Clean pair, as you guys can see. So if you guys want more on-feet, videos on unreleased pairs like this, stuff like, how can I put this, just unboxings, reviews on the channel, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget the normal goal. We always shoot for 300 likes. And if you guys have any questions about this pair, feel free to ask it in the comments. You guys can also check out my Whatnot lives down below. Don't forget we go live almost every single day there. So if that's something you guys are interested in, feel free to check it out. We've been live every day recently. So again, if you want to come shop with us, we do sneakers, clothing, a little bit of everything. So come tune in, come shop. Or yeah, just feel free to come watch. Enter the giveaways we do. Hey, I have no problem with that, you know what I mean? If you're just chilling with us, hey, that's cool. So that's pretty much what I can say about this SB Dunk Low right here, guys. I hope y'all will enjoy. And well, let's get into reviewing the Krampus SBs, guys. Well, these are dropping very soon. So again, with the box, I believe we're actually going to be getting the purple box. It's just like a replacement one I have right here, but I can confirm that in a day or so. So as you guys can see, take a look at this. All right, so let's just get into some of the details up close for this pair. Then I'll show you what it looks like on my feet, because I know y'all interested in, hey, is this going to be a good personal pair to wear around? Which I'll also take some further shots today when I'm actually just out and about doing my daily work. I'll keep these on feet. I'll show you what they look like when I'm wearing them around. So here's like some of the first details. So you guys can see kind of that cage look on the tongue tag, or like a dungeon look. That's at least what I'm getting. It looks like a cage, you know what I mean? So that's what we got right there on the tongue tag. First little detail, you guys can see it says Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. Simple little detail to start with. And then something else we got right here, so you guys can see again some of these up close details. Take a look. So you guys can see that cracked leather, or not cracked, oh yeah, no, 100% that's the right way to describe it. So it's like a cracked leather look. That's what it feels like. And you guys see it actually may reveal orange underneath. If you guys are interested in me checking that out, let me know. But it definitely looks like it cracks away and has kind of like an all orange look underneath the sneaker. I mean, I think most of us can see that right there. You guys see the embroidery back here by the heel as well. You guys can see again kind of like orange, or not orange, well yeah, it does have an orange look, but more like the overall like all around sneakers, kind of like a dark maroon kind of color, you know what I mean? So like that's what we got all around the sneaker, as you guys can see. So pretty nice. I know some people will not be feeling these, but I actually like this. This is my style of SB Dunk Low. It's unique. It has something underneath, and it also has some cool extra laces with it. You guys can see again another unique detail with this right here. You guys see the not surprised embroidery, of course. Krampus, little Krampus detail right there, excuse me. You guys can also see we got Krampus on the insoles, so that's another thing right there, Krampus peeking at you. And then also, again, got some extra laces. We have some black extra laces and some orange ones. I don't have the orange ones with me, so that's my apologies on that, but just keep that in mind for anybody watching, right? You guys see it says Nike SB, and the Air Zoom logo, which just goes down, like just kind of like straight, you know what I mean? So pretty normal, pretty simple stuff there. I'll show you all the heel, of course, in case I hadn't shown this already, so you guys can see what we got back there by the heel. So that orange embroidery, of course the Nike logo, and then of course that kind of cracked leather look, revealing the orange underneath. At least I think. I mean, it looks like that, so that's what we got. I mean, we do have that look on the midsole as well. You guys can see kind of like a similar look, you know what I mean? Kind of like magma or like lava peeking through, you know what I mean? So that's kind of cool. I'm a big fan of that detail. And then of course heading to the soles right there, as you guys can see, kind of like that red center right there, a little bit of a brighter red, almost an orange, I would say. Like if you get these in hand, you'll kind of notice, you're like, whoa, okay, that's like a pretty bright red. It gets very, very close to orange, but you guys can see the color that we got right there on these soles as well. Very, very clean, easy to rock, icy soles. I'll take it. You'll win me over every time with that. So I saw these and I was like, man, we'll keep these for the personal. We'll do an on-feet video. I think someone will like that. So let me know your thoughts again on the Krampus SB Dunk Low right here. If you think this is a pair, again, that you would keep for your collection? I mean, for me, yeah, I'm going for these. I mean, I definitely want to get a couple of these at retail. Like, this is the type of pair that'll do good down the line. So, hey, if anybody's ever selling these, just let me know. You know, I got you. I'll be ready. So, that's what I can say about the Krampus SB. Super clean, slick pair. Why don't we get into showing y'all them on feet? Because I know that's what most of you guys are here for. And you guys can see the standard laces on them as well. Really, really clean sneaker. Again, I'm a big fan of these, and I'm ready. I'm ready. November 29th. That's our chance to get them for retails. Hopefully we will. You know what I mean? The hood skate chops. Hopefully the hood sneakers as well. And you guys see, again, that cracked leather look on the toe box as well. Almost forgot to show that. So that's another quick little detail I want to show you guys. That looks sick on the toe box. So big, big fan of the sneaker. I just really like how it looks. Again, I feel like it might be a bit of a sleeper. I feel like a lot of people are focused on the Nardwars and some other upcoming stuff we got, you know, coming up, or the Travises that just dropped. I feel like these are getting slept on a little bit. It's a very, very nice pair. So we're going to do an on-feet review, show you guys what they look like right now without me, you know, yapping, and just, again, what they look like with me doing my daily work out and about on feet. This is a good personal pair. I think off the bat, I can say yes. Like, this is probably a pair that will look pretty decent on feet, but let's see. Let's do a test. Let's check it out. And yeah, I hope y'all will enjoy. So let's get into reviewing the Krampus SB Dunk Low on feet a little bit further right now. Alright, so just want to talk about these real quick. I'm going to get y'all some better lighting in a sec, I promise. I'm going to show y'all some videos when I'm out and about in my daily, like, you know what I'm saying, when I'm just doing some work. Show y'all what these look like on feet then, because I'll be outside. It's actually a beautiful day outside. Shout out the weather today. But take a look at these, man. So you guys can see I really like kind of the orange outline look. Right, you can see right here. Right, like here. All around the swoosh here. I really like that look that we got because it kind of helps the sneaker pop a bit more, I think, especially the colorway, right, since it is a little bit darker, right? These were all this color. I don't feel like this would, like, right, all this kind of like brownish black color. If it was all that, I don't feel like it'd look as good. It would just kind of blend in. It wouldn't pop. You really wouldn't see the cracked leather, you know what I mean? But you can actually see it, right, with the orange popping. You can actually see it, right, from a little bit of a distance. So I think that's pretty cool. And a nice thing we got about this SB Dunk Low, you guys see the cage look on the tongue. Really cool pair. Again, I really like what we got with these. I'm happy to add these to my collection. So we're going to do some really good B-roll shots right now. But that's just kind of like a quick little look and first little glimpse, right, on feet. You guys see that's the main thing that we have. And yeah, you even could wear them with sweatpants. Yes, I know that it's a bit crazy, but you could. Look, actually looks all right. So that's what we got with these. I don't know why I have a hole in my sock. All right, we got that. So yeah, all right. Let's do the B-roll shots. Let's go. Alright, so just like wearing these around, mad comfy, I'll say. Other than I got like a problem with my toe here, so it like hurts a bit when I wear them there, but other than that, man, I mean, check out the details. Really, really clean pair on feet. You see like the orange kind of like peeking through too. I believe actually it cracks over time and may turn orange. You can see it's already doing it some right here. So maybe I'm on something. These like parts, you know what I mean? Maybe it cracks away, but cool little shoe. I'm a fan of it. Dropping November 29th at your locals, so not surprised. Stay tuned. Clean pair though, I like them. Anyways, guys, I hope y'all did enjoy this quick little on-feet video for the unreleased Krampus SB Dunk Low. Keep in mind, these are coming very, very soon. November 29th at skate shops. I think sneakers is a little bit after, if not the same day, so just stay tuned for that. I think we might already have some confirmation out there for that, so my bad that I'm not mentioning it in the video today. Just keep in mind, the skate shop date's the most important one to remember, November 29th. So check your locals then or a little bit before, because I know some have been dropping them a bit earlier. But that's what I can say about this pair right here, guys. If you all do want more unreleased SB Dunk Low content, on-feed videos like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Let me know if you're going for this pair in the comments, and let's try to 300 likes on this video. That's a normal goal we were shoot for, so if we could do that, that'd be great. And my apologies on the lack of uploads as well on the channel the last couple days. My bad. Your boy's just been super busy getting out a bunch of orders on time. That's been my main focus lately, so I really do appreciate you guys understanding and being super chill with me there. So hey, shout out everyone who's been shopping on whatnot and who's been tuning in here. I'm again gonna try and get back on that consistent schedule just once stuff slows down a bit for me, because it's been pretty busy lately. But hey, it's been busy because, well, you know, it's been, how can I put this, you know, there's been a lot of stuff to get out, so it's not a bad thing. So I really do appreciate you guys that have been supporting me, and we're gonna keep going, you know what I mean? Even if it stays super busy, I got you. Just stay with us right here. And that's what I can say again about the unreleased SB Dunk Low Krampus. Let me know what you guys think about these on feed. If you'd add them to your collection, let me know what you think about that in the comments. Is this a pair that's worth the toe, you know what I mean? All right. My bad, but that's pretty much everything we need to say today. I really don't got to go on too much further. Just let me know your thoughts in the comments. Check out any of my socials down below. It's all in the pinned comment or in the description. And leave your questions down below. Seriously, I will try and get back to everyone that I can. And yeah, that's it. So I'm T. Thank you all. Let me know your thoughts on this pair right here. The Krampus SB is coming very, very soon. So guys, do not sleep. And I will catch you all in the next one tomorrow. As y'all see, super clean. All right. We're going to toe these. Peace out.